Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Powerpuff Girls X Colourpop makeup collection. I just got this in, so let me show you guys. Ooh. We also have 3 sets of hair clips here, which I will be wearing at the end. I can't decide which color I'm going to use yet until I figure out the eye look, but let's get into the products. Let me get into the eyeshadow first. I feel like this is like the main thing that most people care about. So this is the Powerpuff Girls palette. I love the choices for the eyeshadow colors. I love how they have a transition color. This color can also be a transition, but I just like this color in general. These colors all right here are very neutral, and I feel like if you want to go for like a soft glam look, that's perfect. Also, you can use them as highlighters. I like how you can vamp it up with some colors. Why did I say vamp it? Amp it up with some colors? But yeah, overall, I think this is very themed to Powerpuff Girls, which is great. Colourpop does do a really good job at selecting colors that match the theme, except for the Sailor Moon one. I know I always shit on that one, but I just was not a fan of that one. The swatches do have really good pigment on here, so I'm excited to do an eye look with them just to see if that same quality transfers to actually applying them on the eye, because eyeshadows can swatch really well, but then look super patchy and weird on your eyes. That's why I'm not a huge fan of swatches, but I know that most of you guys like them, and I always get a lot of crap if I don't do them, so that's why I included it. Next up is the Powerpuff Girls Bubble Bath Bar. I'm curious to see what this looks like. So this is called the Drama Bomb Bubble Bath Bar. Aww. This honestly just reminds me of childhood. I'm sure there are so many girls like this, but I used to love getting little like bath bubble sets where they came with like little like bath bombs like this, and then they had the sparkly shower gels. This just reminds me of that. I don't know why I'm like getting like teary-eyed over that. I just remember being so excited about that as a kid, so I don't know. Getting all emotional. I also have my period, that's probably why. I just love those bath gels. All right, next up guys, we have 2 blushes here. I just started opening it, but let me show you first. So this is the Saving the World blush and Fighting Crime blush. These are definitely Powerpuff Girl blushes. I love the color choices for these. So we have more of a peach over here and then a true pink. This is actually more of like a hot pink, like I guess more like a fuchsia. It's really hard swatching blushes, and the glitter on here is excess left over from the eyeshadows, but the top one, the peach one, is Saving the World, and then we have Fighting Crime. Next up, we have the Day Is Saved Roller Gloss Kit. I love that this automatically comes with all 3 shades, and these just look, I thought that this had a backing on it, but it does not. So these are very fittingly named after the characters. So we have Blossom, Buttercup, and Bubbles. And I'm not gonna swatch these for you guys because you're not gonna be able to tell since they're more of like a clear. I'm just gonna show you. Yeah, so they're just like a clear formula with like the subtlest hint of a color. Ooh, I really love the smell of these though. What is it? They kind of smell like a strawberry baby bottle pop. Oh, they all smell different. Okay, so this one smelled like a strawberry baby bottle pop. The blue one. Yeah, okay, so they all smell like baby bottle pops, just like this one would be like the blue raspberry one from the baby bottle pop. Let me smell the green. Yeah, this is like a green apple. This whole collection is just very nostalgic between like the hair clips, the baby bottle pop smell, and then like the shower bubbles. All right, now we have the Villainous color sticks. These are them right here. I took these out of their packaging. Let me go get that just in case you guys care. It's definitely worth seeing the packaging. So you have Mojo Jojo there, you have Princess Morbucks and him. Okay, so in order, we have the Mojo Jojo color sticks, Princess Morbucks color sticks, and the Him color sticks. I love these. They're just super metallic-y and sparkly. I'm wondering how I should use these. I think for the eyeshadow look, I'm gonna do like a wavy eyeshadow look of 3 colors, and then maybe in between them, I'll do like a line of each color stick. Okay, so we have 2 more products here. Well, I guess it's like 1 product. These are the Ultra Superpowers Lip Mask Duo. So again, I love that these came in a package as well. So you have both. So these are in collaboration with Fourth Ray Beauty, which I believe is an extension of Colourpop. If I'm wrong about that, let me know. But I think it's the same brand, right? It's just like different. They're like more like body products. Let me know. But the bath guy is also in collaboration with Fourth Ray. So this one is the Everything Nice Overnight Lip Mask. This one is a baby pink. So it's a sparkly pink. Oh, put too much on. Ooh, I would just wear this on its own all the time. I don't know if you guys can see that. This one is really hard to swatch on camera. I thought by doing it underneath where I'm a little bit more pale, you guys would see it more, but you can't really. Oh, I love this. And it smells and tastes like cotton candy. Oh my God, I'm gonna wear this every day. Last but not least, we have the Sugar and Spice Overnight Lip Mask. So this one is the baby blue casing. Oh my gosh, why am I gonna keep doing that? So this one looks like it's more of like a clear balm. So it doesn't have like a hint of color. Yeah, this one smells like cotton candy as well. So I don't know if you guys can just see it on my finger, but it's literally just a clear balm. It's on this finger, obviously. Besides actual cotton candy, this just reminds me so much of the Lip Smackers cotton candy. Oh, do you guys remember that? Okay, I think for the hair clips, I'm gonna use the green ones. And I'm just gonna do this before we get started on the tutorial because my bangs keep getting in my face. Maybe I should put these up higher. Is that like the style? Ouch. Ooh, these are like really on there, which is a good thing. Now we're gonna go into the tutorial, guys. So I already primed my eyelids. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyelid primer. And for this, I'm gonna go in with the bottom 3 shades there. So these guys, since those are the classic Powerpuff Girl colors, I think I'm gonna do pink close to the bottom layer. And I'm gonna do this wavy. Now I'm going over top of the pink with the green. I forgot to mention the pink shade is the Fashionistas and the green is Silico. Okay, so I wound up fixing it and just making them lines. The wavy thing was just kind of looking like I was trying to do a straight line, but I just couldn't do it. So yeah, I evened them out. Now I'm going in with the blue, and the blue is called Rowdy Rough Boys. I kind of want to go in with Profutonium, which is, it's like a pinky champagne shade. And I'll use that on the inner corner. Also gonna use this up here just to add a little bit of shimmer and to clean up underneath my brow a little bit. I really like the shade. I feel like you can definitely use this as a highlighter as well. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take, which one was this? I think I'm gonna take the Princess Morbuck stick and go underneath my eye here. And just smudge it out using my pinky. I love how easy these are to play with. That smudge beautifully and doesn't look weird at all. And you only need a little bit. And then for the inner part, I think I'm gonna go in with the Him shade to give more of that pointed cat eye look to the front. I wonder if you can use this in your waterline. I'm gonna do it anyway. but this is in the shade Mojo Jojo. It's definitely not sticking as well to my inner corner and my eyes are turning red, so it's probably wasn't a great idea. But since I do like that shade, I'm just gonna go in with, this is actually one by Urban Decay. What shade is this? This is in the shade Jolt. Kind of want to use the blue sparkle in here. That is Super Friends. I'm just gonna show you guys it again because it's so pretty. I want to see if I can put this on my bottom lid underneath the blue. That's the only thing annoying about like loose glitter eyeshadows is that the glitter gets everywhere. Maybe I'll add that to the wing as well. Just a little subtle sparkle. Alright, now for the blush. I can't decide whether I want to do the peach or the hot pink. If I go the fuchsia route, I'll have to just use a tiny bit. I feel like the fuchsia would fit this look a little bit more, so let's do that. Right, I just dipped into it and then I wiped some off on my hand so it doesn't come off too crazy at first. And I'm just going in with a powder brush. Just going over that. Just to make it a little bit more subtle. I do like it though. It's just very intense. I'm just gonna add some mascara. This one is by Stixs. And I'm just gonna add it to the ends of my lashes here. Alright guys, this is the finished look. And I do still have that lip mask on. I love this lip mask. It's just so moisturizing. And I really love the eyeshadows. Everything really blended out nicely. And like I said when I showed you guys this palette, I do like how these are very wearable shades at the whole like top here and even halfway into the second row. And then you can really like amp it up if you want to do some colorful shades. If you're going to go with anything from the Powerpuff collection, I would suggest either the eyeshadow palette or the Stixs. So these were called the Color Stixs. I just really love these. These were so easy to work with and they're just really fun. The blushes I would say you could probably skip. I mean, there's nothing too special about those unless you really like those shades. The lip rollers, there are 3 shades in here. So I guess if you wanted to give them as like if you wanted to get one thing and then just give them away to like 3 friends, like 3 different friends that all have a lip, that would be something cool to do. But if you're just buying this for yourself, like I said, they're just all kind of like more clear glosses. They're all gonna look the same on you. So I don't know if that would be worth it, but I do suggest the lip masks. This is such a great shade. I love the pink. It does come in the pack of 2. And I mean, you can't go wrong with a clear lip mask either. And you can just use that one at night. I'm not a huge bath person. It might just be because I don't know, we don't have like a really big tub or anything for like bathing. Like we do have 2 tubs here. I guess that's kind of a lie. I guess I'm just not a bath person. I kind of want to become a bath person though. I can always visualize myself just like in a bath with a glass of wine. Let me know if you guys are bath people and like if you've always been a bath person or if you got into it later on in life. Yeah, the hair clips I think are really cute. It just depends on if you're a hair clip kind of person. I mean, they're definitely in style right now. Like the 90s are coming back strong, the 90s and like early 2000s. The only thing about these is that they do say Colourpop on them, if that's something that bothers you, like having like a branding. But yeah, I love this collection. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments down below and if you're going to be purchasing anything from the collection. And yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. Give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.